Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the aosu SolarCam P1 Max security camera. Let's open it up and see how it works. Yeah, let's take a look inside the box. So we get some instructions here. And here's the camera itself. This little attachment so you can screw this into the wall. And then here's the accessories, charging cable and the mounting screws. And so yeah, let's go set this up and see how it works. The camera features a crisp 4K resolution with an advanced f1.6 aperture for more sharp and clearer images at all times. And with its 6x digital zoom, you can see more of the area around you for a more enhanced home security. With its full color night vision, you can capture every detail even in low light conditions, or pitch black. It features an ultra low light sensor, a multi-LED white spotlight, and an infrared LED to give a powerful combination that delivers the best image and visibility even in complete darkness. So it's perfect during both the day and night. It's super easy to install as well, with just 4 screws to install it where you'd like. So there's no annoying wires required. And with its integrated solar panel, you'll never have to worry about the power running out on the camera. With only 2 hours of daily sunlight, it can run smoothly all year round, providing 365 days with no maintenance costs and not having to worry about recharging. It also has advanced AI to automatically detect fences, walls, and vehicles to create a secure perimeter around your property. And it can also recognize between people, pets, and unwanted guests to help minimize false alarms. But you can also receive instant notifications when anything is seen moving in the detection zone. And with its 3 smart alarm settings, like siren, spotlight, and app push notification, you'll feel more secure as it deters unwelcome visitors and gives you more peace of mind. The camera can also automatically identify the wall or fence around your house for better wall protection. And when someone is seen trying to make it over them, it will trigger an alarm to drive them away. It can also automatically identify vehicles to better protect your car or notify you when an unknown vehicle appears on camera. Alerting you of anyone trying to get in your car or when one pulls up, making it more secure. And when you download the free aosu app, you can find all of the features mentioned, plus a ton more, such as setting up voice assistants, managing multiple cameras, and even get online customer support. And most of the settings you are able to further customize to help fit your preferences. You can also link this up with other aosu cameras and the home storage base to help further enhance your security. Also, you can insert a micro SD card up to 128 gigs for more secure storage without any subscription fees, making it even more convenient. And so yeah, I highly recommend the aosu SolarCam P1 Max security camera today. And they are also having a special giveaway on their YouTube channel. So for a chance to win this very camera, just check out the link below as well to see all the requirements for you to enter. See you.